Well, after my up, I found a solution.
We're off to PA, guys.
Came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
What's that you in?
My new M50. Sick.
We can also pop this off.
Yeah, we can get rid of this. I don't even need this.
It's all yours. You can throw it out if you want.
I'm going to.
Let's get this bitch out.
Professional movers.
This engine, like Jordy said earlier, is an M50.
OBD1 version of that, but I'm gonna retain OBD2 and swap the needed sensors. It's deja vu.
She's kind of crusty looking.
Disgusting.
Definitely gotta clean her up and make her look nice.
Definitely worse than the other one.
Yeah. And from what Jordy tells me, we're gonna have to switch over everything anyways, so.
Last week.
We're just gonna do a repeat of what we did last week, so stay tuned. Don't worry guys, we learned from last time.
Not a drop, Jim. It's back. Boom, 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 boom.
What next?
Take it apart.
Ta-da! Everything is off.
Record timing too.
It's because you did it before.
30 minutes.
Jordy's gonna take it outside and power wash this bitch because she's dusty. Hi! How are you today?
Weird.
Alright, you guys ready? Of course, it's inside now because Jordy had to move it back inside, but it's all clean. So now that the new engine is cleaned and prepped, it's time to take off the front end yet again to get it on jack stands. Love a part two.
Wish there was no part two.
At least the new wheels look good.
It's the only thing that looks good. This does look really good. Just the inside isn't good anymore.
Jordy is in the midst of taking off all the easy things and labeling, as it seems. We already did this. If you want to see it, go check out the past video because I'm not going to show it again.
Because it really sucks. And
Yeah.
it's not fun.
It's also very time consuming. And I want to show you guys the good stuff. The good stuff. How's it going?
That's going good. Power steering was the last thing. I wanted to drain it before disconnecting everything.
All right, so we'll be back tomorrow.
Yes.
And we're back. I'm currently taking off the ground strap so we can get in there.
Yeah, get in there. Get the headers off.
Jordy sprayed them like 5 times, he said.
All right, worker B.
Okay.
Yeah, slip on my nuts. Slip on my nuts.
That was funny. That's what she said.
Yeah, pause.
Anyway, pause. Back. So no headers?
Shut the up.
Okay, gaskets are off, headers are off. Now, time to get started on the oil pan to call it a night. I'm not gonna be here tomorrow, but Jordy is to work his ass off to get this disassembled because I'm not showing it. We already showed it. Why would we show it again? By the time we get back to, the busted engine will be out of the E36 to make room for the one that will hopefully work. Fingers crossed. See you guys Wednesday. Back again, Jordy. Any updates?
I got the right stuff. It's like deja vu all over again.
Putting the pan back on?
Yeah, I spoon tacked my nut again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Looking pretty assembled.
This is my guess out of this, that this is the correct one.
I guess it's not.
Yeah? Which one do you guess then? This is mine. I'm holding mine. You guess that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see who's right, internet.
Let's go.
You want to go first?
Yeah.
Here, we'll unhook you. I got mine. is it the right size for the pilot bearing guide? Ooh, I don't think so.
Ugh, Jordy's. It's crazy. It's too thick.
It's not.
It's girthy. You're not even hitting the hole.
I was trying to.
Seems like another sport.
Oh, can you hold that?
I should add that it's like 9:30 at night. I totally forgot to get us getting the trans on, but
That sucked.
hard part is over with. Time to get the harness in and get this thing running.
The next day.
What's going on, Jordy?
Okay, so this crank sensor plug is that stupid. The one I got that everyone told me was correct is this. They go together, basically. They're just different shapes. They go together. I have to splice this one in to that one.
Boom, boom, boom. Is it time?
Might be. I hope everything lines up because so far not a lot has been working good. No offense, I might need you not to film because I'm gonna need your help.
Oh, okay, guys. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Nice.
Think.
And Jordy's car lives to see another day. Next video, we're gonna give the jelly bean some TLC because she's a bit dirty.
Ouch.
Yeah, and I haven't driven her really. Nothing's wrong with it, I just haven't driven it. I don't know why. I know exactly why, but I'm not gonna expose myself like that because I already did in the past videos all about the MIATA, and we'll see if Jordy's car actually drives. Fingers crossed. It starts, so that's a good sign.
Yeah, I'll send the clip. You can put it right here. Sounds good.
Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.
God damn.